Okay, so let's go. We'll start with simple equations and symbols first, and basic mathematical operations. First, addition. You will probably know this one. The symbols here are the addition sign or the plus sign, and the equal sign, sometimes also called the equal sign, without the s at the end. The result, or the total, of an addition equation is called a sum. We read the whole equation like this. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or you could say 2 and 2 is 4. Or if you want to explain this to someone, then you could say, if you add 2 and 2 together, you get 4. Let's now move on to subtraction. The symbols used here are the subtraction sign or the minus sign, and again the equal sign. The result of a subtraction equation is called a difference. We read the whole equation like this. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Or if you wanted to explain this to someone, you could say, if you take 3 away from 5, you get 2. Okay, let's now move on to multiplication. The symbols used here are the multiplication sign or the times sign, and again the equal sign. The result of a multiplication equation is called a product. We read the whole equation like this. 2 times 3 equals 6. Or if you wanted to explain this to someone, you could say, if you multiply 2 by 3, you get 6. Let's now move on to division. The symbols used here are the division sign and again the equal sign. The result of a division is called a quotient. We read the whole equation like this. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Or if you wanted to explain this to someone, you could say, if you divide 10 by 5, you get 2. It is also worth mentioning that on some occasions you will have brackets used in the equations like this one. We read this as 1 plus 2 in brackets times 3 equals 9.